Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. I've said it before and I'll say it again. There's nothing like brushing on your favorite shaving cream or shaving soap, mixing up a nice lather with a great shaving brush, starting your morning off right, little figure eight method. You know, the utmost zen moments of the shave. Very enjoyable, perfect way to start your day. So today, we're going to talk about shaving brushes. In this episode, I will show you the 3 most popular shaving brushes sold at Shave Nation in 2020. We've just made it through to 2021, knock on wood, and things will definitely get better this year, I promise. It can only go up from here, right? So I will show you these 3 brushes, give you some information on them, and give you the specs on them, and then hopefully this will get you started on your wet shave journey or just give you some good information. If you're a newcomer, this will help you choose a brush, and if you're a seasoned veteran, it'll probably still help you choose a brush, because this brush right here, the Simpsons Trafalgar T3, a great choice, and it's on the list. And I'll show you the other 2, and we'll get right to it. Without further ado, let's get to the brushes. All right, I'm back. Let's get started. I'll do my shave after we get through these brushes. I'll lather up and perform a shave, but I don't think the shave is going to be included. I'll put links along the way, so just keep your eyes peeled. Up in the corner there, we'll have some links, and you can see yours truly performing a shave with each one of these different shaving brushes. So you can check those out and see the brushes in action. All right, shaving brushes. The most popular brush sold at Shave Nation, and for good reason, is right here. It's the Trafalgar T3, made by Simpsons on the Isle of Man. This is it. Here's a look. It's a beautiful shaving brush, and in my opinion, for the money, around $34, the best buy in just about any shaving brush there is for what you get for it. First off, here's a brand new one. Just you can see what it looks like. This is the brand new brush right here. Just took it out of the box. And here's mine that I've used. You can see that the shape is the same. It doesn't deconform or lose its shape. It stays a dense, tight knot. Really nice. I'll give you the specs on this brush. The Simpsons T3, it's Sovereign Synthetic Fiber. That's what Simpson calls it. And if you want to pick this brush up, enter SN231 in the search box at shavenation.com. It'll pop right up. The approximate dimensions on this brush, it's a 26 millimeter knot. The handle is 50 millimeters high, and the loft on the knot is also 50 millimeters high, making it 100 millimeters overall. It's quite a substantial brush, you can see by looking at it. The tips are actually very soft. It feels fantastic, but it still has a good stiffness to it. It doesn't splay out, and it retains its shape. It's really a nice brush. If you want to see this brush in action, I'll put a link up here. You can check it out. A video of yours truly using this brush. The T3 with its Sovereign Synthetic Fibers is an excellent brush for hard soaps or soft soaps or anything in between. And if you want something smaller, you can step down to a T2 or a T1. A couple steps smaller in size. There's a T1, T2, T3. They get larger as the numbers go up. Second on the list, most popular sold at Shave Nation, is the Shave Nation Wood Handle Synthetic Shaving Brush. Here's a look at it. This is a brand new one, and here is a used one. You can see that the used one, it kind of flares out a little bit, retains a nice shape, and the new one is a little bit oblong right now, but that will flare out once it gets moist and used a few times. The specs on this brush has a 21 millimeter knot, and the handle height is 53 millimeters, and the knot height or the loft is also 53 millimeters, making it an overall 106 millimeters. So pretty decent size for a budget-minded shaving brush. I think that's why it's so popular. You can really afford it. It's great for beginners. You can get a feel for using a shaving brush. And later on, if you want to step up to something a little bit better and probably a little more expensive, then you can do that. And it does have a a metal ring around the collar to protect it when you put it into a stand, which is a good thing. The Shave Nation synthetic wood handle brush, also very good on soft soaps or shaving creams. You can also use it with hard soaps to get a perfect lather as well. Next on the list, the number 3 popular shaving brush sold at Shave Nation in 2020 is the Proraso by Omega boar brush. It's boar bristles. You can see it's a nice tight dense knot, and it's a long handle, long enough where it's going to be difficult to get the shaving cream on your fingers because you have a bit of distance between the tips of the brush and the handle. So that's a plus right there. And this is a chrome plated. It's not actual metal, but it's a chrome plated, probably a resin chrome plated. It does have a plastic ring around here for protection as well. And this is a very scritchy or scratchy brush. Applying this to your face, you will definitely feel a stiff feeling to it, and it will be very scratchy. If you like to scrub your shaving cream or soap when you lather, this will be perfect for you. And at a nice price point, this comes in at around $19. So also very reasonably priced. It's got the Omega logo on the bottom for Proraso. Omega makes it for Proraso. So there you go. The specs on this brush, this is a 28 millimeter knot, and the handle height from top to bottom is 65 millimeters, and the knot height or the loft is 60 millimeters, making it an overall dimension from top to bottom 125 millimeters. So quite a substantial brush. Here is a brand new one, and here is my used one that's been used quite a few times. You can see it actually still has a little bit of purple or pink down here from some shaving creams that I've been using. But once you soak it in water, it will spread out a bit and will soften up also. A pro tip, once you get this brush, soak it in water overnight. You'll soften up those bristles. They won't be as scratchy. The Proraso boar brush, excellent on hard shaving soaps. Very firm and scratchy. So if you like to scrub, the perfect brush for you. We'll put some links under the video where it says show more. Just click down there and then you'll see the links. You can pick up any one of these brushes or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box. It'll pop right up. The T3, you can enter SN231, like Shave Nation 231, and it'll pop right up. The synthetic wood handle shaving brush, the Shave Nation brush, enter SN1347, and it'll pop right up. And for the Proraso by Omega shaving brush, the boar brush, just enter SN750, 750, and it will pop right up as well. All right, that's about it. I will give a runner-up that if you want a badger brush, the most popular badger brush sold at Shave Nation right here is the Shave Nation Fine Badger Highly Polished Resin Handle. This is the Patriot shaving brush, red, white, and blue. So all you Patriots out there, you've been purchasing this brush and you love it. It's a fine badger brush with a highly polished resin handle. And the tips on this, very soft and scritchy as well. It will not flop over, it will not splay out. It'll mix an uber lather, whether you're using hard shaving soap or soft shaving creams. Feels very soft on the face, but a little bit scratchy, and it will not splay out. It'll stay firm. So for any one of these brushes, just go to the website, check it out. You could read the reviews for yourself, and then you can go from there, see which one you might want to pick up. All of these brushes are great for face lathering, or if you prefer a bowl, try the Shave Nation ceramic shaving lather bowl. It's got the lather spot at the bottom. Just fill that up with cream or soap, and then press the tips into it and lather up. You can see it used in many of my videos. I'll also put a link up there. You can check that out as well. Comes in 7 different colors: black, red, blue, white, pink, yellow, green. This is the pink. Keep in mind, the best way to prolong the life of your shaving brush is to hang it in a stand like so that the bristles are pointing downward and the water drips out. You never want the water to drip into the knot. That will eat away the epoxy glue and the knot will separate from the handle. You don't want that to happen. Here you go. Brush and razor, safely stowed. They'll last you many years if you take care of them. Take care of your shaving equipment and it will take care of you. If you need a stand for your Chubby 2 or 3 or your Trafalgar T2 or 3, enter SN 1931 in the search box and this stand will pop up. Fits those big dogs perfectly. You can store your big boy brush right in this stand, SN 1931. Brushing on your favorite shaving soap or shaving cream with a beautiful shaving brush just that feeling of the lather going across your face, the brush contacting the skin. It's the ultimate Zen moment of the shave. You can really zone out, do a little figure eight method, and just really enjoy that application, that feeling of the shaving soap being applied to the face, lifting up the beard, hydrating it, softening it, just preparing it for the shave ahead. There's nothing like a brush to apply your shaving cream or shaving soap. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope this will help you select a brush for yourself. Any one of these 3 brushes will do well for you. You'll be able to mix up a nice lather for yourself. Before I head out, please click that subscribe button down there, and then click the bell up there, and then click all, so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox, and you won't miss any. I thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. You can store the big boy right in this stand. Whoa. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.